An epic is a long narrative poem or story that celebrates heroic deeds, often involving gods, mythical creatures, and larger than life challenges. Epics typically follow a hero who embarks on a great journey or quest, facing trials that test their courage, strength, and morality. These stories aren't just entertainment, they are meant to inspire, teach values, and reflect the culture and beliefs of the time. One of the most famous examples is the Iliad and the Odyssey by Homer. Set during the Trojan War, the Iliad explores themes of honor, wrath, and fate through the eyes of heroes like Achilles and Hector. Meanwhile, the Odyssey follows Odysseus as he battles monsters, resists temptations, and endures hardships to return home after the war. Both works showcase the key features of epics: vast settings, supernatural elements, and heroes whose actions shape the destiny of nations. But epics aren't limited to ancient Greece. Across cultures, similar stories have emerged. Take the Indian epic Mahabharata, which tells the story of a dynastic struggle between cousins over the throne of Hastinapura. Similarly, the Mesopotamian epic of Gilgamesh follows the adventures of a king searching for immortality, grappling with questions about life, death, and legacy. There are some common characteristics to look for. First, epics often begin in medias res, meaning in the middle of things. Instead of starting at the beginning, the story jumps into the action and fills in backstory later. Second, they feature invocations to muses, a call to divine inspiration at the start of the tale. Third, they include elevated language filled with vivid imagery, elaborate descriptions. Finally, the hero is usually someone extraordinary, a warrior, a leader whose actions leave a lasting impact on their world. But epics aren't just relics of the past. Modern storytelling borrows heavily from this tradition. Think about movies like Star Wars, where Luke Skywalker embarks on a hero's journey full of mentors, villains, and cosmic battles, or novels like The Lord of the Rings, which draws directly from epic conventions like quests, fellowship, and the battle between good and evil. Even video games echo the structure and themes of classical epics. Epics tap into universal human experiences, struggles for identity, the search for meaning, and the desire to leave a mark on the world. They remind us of our potential for greatness, even in the face of overwhelming odds. Whether it's Beowulf slaying Grendel, Arjuna fighting in the Kurukshetra war, or Frodo destroying the One Ring, these stories inspire us to rise above our limitations.